Hey girls! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing some designer nails with butterflies. I'm going to be doing this design on some full cover nail tips and apply them to my nails like press-ons. I'm going to be using the AWSM gel polish set from a cart. I will have that linked in the description. I'm going to start by painting the nails with some gel polish, and this is a light pink that has some shimmer. I'm going to apply 2 layers to all of the nails. I'm going to start this design by using my gel paint that I got from AliExpress and a very fine nail art brush. For this design, I'm going to be doing the Louis Vuitton monogram logos all over the nail. When you look at this design, it looks so simple and so easy to do. However, I actually had quite a bit of trouble getting the design to look exactly how I wanted. After I cure the dark blue gel paint, I'm going to take the light blue that comes in the McCart gel polish kit, and I'm going to be drawing the other symbols for this design. After that layer is cured, I'm going to go in with that light blue gel polish, and I'm just going to add some highlights to the dark blue gel paint. Then I'm going to take the dark blue gel paint and I'm going to outline the other symbols. Then I'm also going to take the light blue gel polish and I'm going to outline the Louis Vuitton symbol. After I cure that layer, I'm going to take some of these colorful rhinestones, my tweezers from McCart, and also my McCart gel top coat, and I'm going to be applying the top coat to the nail. And while the top coat is still wet, I'm going to use the tweezers and pick up the dark blue rhinestones. I'm going to place these rhinestones in between each design. Then I'm going to do a full cure under the lamp. For the other design of this manicure, I'm going to be doing a French tip nail using the gel paint. So taking the dark blue color and my fine nail art brush, I'm just going to be drawing the smile line of the nail. Once I have the smile line like I want, I'm going to take my angled brush and fill in the tip of the nail. I'm gonna cure this under the lamp. After that layer is cured, I'm gonna go back in with that light blue gel polish and I'm gonna outline my smile line. I'm gonna go ahead and cure that under the lamp, and then I'm gonna take some black gel paint and I'm gonna be drawing a butterfly. After I have my butterfly outline and I have cured this in the nail lamp, I'm gonna take the light blue gel polish and I'm gonna fill in kind of in the middle of the butterfly. I do want to add dark blue around this and blend it in a little bit. So I'm just adding this kind of like the highlight color of the butterfly. I am going to cure this under my nail lamp and then I'm going to go in with the dark blue gel paint again, and I'm going to slightly fan this color from the center of the butterfly and also the edges, leaving the light blue gel polish color in the center of each wing. Then after that layer is cured, I'm going to take some white gel paint and the small side of my dotting tool. I'm going to pick up the smallest amount of product and I'm going to do small dots on the edges of the wings. I'm going to cure this under my lamp and then I'm going to go in with my gel top coat. After curing, this is the finished nail. Then for my pinky nail, I'm going to be doing the same design that I did for my middle finger. For my index nail, I am going to be doing the same design that I did for my ring finger. Then for my thumb, I wasn't quite sure what I wanted to do, so I am just doing the big Louis Vuitton logo on the center of the nail. I'm doing this in the dark blue gel paint, and I am going to outline it with the light blue gel polish. After I cure that in my nail lamp, I am going to add a gel top coat to this design. While the top coat is still wet, I'm going to randomly place the blue rhinestones on this nail. After the nails are cured, this is how they look. I really thought this design came out cute. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!